Okay, are you ready for our student Luke? Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, so first let's talk about inequality and the number line. Let's put up some couple of points on the number line. We got 1 and 4, and I'm going to make one statement about them that's an inequality statement, and that's 4 is greater than 1. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Can you give me the opposite statement? How would you write that or say it?
1 is less than 4.
1 is less than 4. Very good. Okay, pretty straightforward. You've been doing this for a while. Now, let's go ahead and see if we can create some rules then. So rule number 1, on a number line, numbers to the right are
Greater than.
greater than numbers on the left. Good. And can you help me fill out the second one? On a number line, numbers to the left are
Less than.
less than numbers on the right. Okay, good. So now the tricky thing is when you get to negative numbers. So let's go ahead and look at some negative numbers here. So what are the two numbers that we have?
-5 and 1.
Okay, now I don't know about you, but when I hear the number -5, it seems like a bigger number than the number 1. Do you feel the same way?
Yeah.
But the funny thing is, -5 is to the left of 1, right?
Yeah.
So if we write an inequality statement, let's write a greater than inequality statement about 1 and -5. What would we say?
1 is greater than -5.
Good. And what would be the opposite one?
-5 is less than 1.
That's right. And this is something that some students will find a little bit tricky at first. So even though -5 sounds like a bigger number because 5 is bigger than 1, it's really just about what's to the left or to the right on the number line when you're thinking about greater than or less than. Okay?
Okay.
Good. All right, now let's move over to the right-hand side here and talk about using inequality with negative numbers. And let's talk about a situation here. One day the temperature in Denver is 2 degrees and the temperature in Cleveland is -15 degrees. So let's ask ourselves a couple questions. Which city is warmer?
Denver.
Denver, because it's at 2 degrees, and Cleveland is way down there at -15, brr, super cold. Okay? Now let's ask another question, which is really the same question. Which city has the greater temperature?
Denver.
That's right. Denver has the greater temperature. It's warmer. 2 is greater than -15. So write a greater than inequality with these temperatures.
2 is greater than -15.
Very good. And then, can you write a less than inequality with these temperatures?
-15 is less than 2.
Very good. So you've got it now. It's really just about what's to the left and to the right on the number line, right?
Yeah.
All right, great job.